What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Got a 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback. It's a S code 390 4-speed. This car is special paint. The Marti just says special paint, but during the restoration, this is the color of blue that was found in the trunk and those inconspicuous places where you would look for an original paint color. It's more like a sapphire blue. It's not as light as Brittany blue, and it's not as dark as Acapulco blue. But it is a S code 390 factory 4-speed. Has blue deluxe interior, and it's absolutely beautiful. This car just had fresh restoration finished. It's got the 6K tack, console, original radio, 4-speed, deluxe interior. Love the seats, overhead console. Does have a fold down rear seat. Beautiful deluxe door panels. Does have the door tag. Have the original door tag for the car. Beautiful car. The fit and finish is really, really nice. So here's your Marti report. It's a San Jose built car. You see the special paint, blue decor vinyl buckets. There's your options. Spare, really nice trunk jams. Beautiful car. This car is turnkey, ready to go. Deluxe steering wheel. Like I said, the car literally just had the restoration finished. Your 390. Nicely detailed engine bay. Power steering, power disc brakes. There's the VIN, double stamped. Turn signal hood. Everything works. That is the right air cleaner for a non-GT. This car is absolutely stunning. All right, let's fire it up. This car has a factory style exhaust system, so it's not very loud. tone to it. Engine's super smooth. Great lines, gaps. Love the color blue. We'll drive it, but we just got some rain. So if anybody wants a driving video, have to do that tomorrow. The 1967 S-Code, 390 4-speed, special paint, deluxe interior. Car is for sale. You can call the number 304-731-6497. Again, my name is Matt. Thanks for watching.